Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into a hot topic: long-term versus short-term crypto investments. Which strategy is better? Grab your coffee and let's get into it. First up, short-term investments. This strategy is all about riding the waves of the crypto market. You buy low, sell high, and repeat. Sounds simple, right? But it's not for the faint of heart. You need to stay glued to market trends, news, and price charts. It's like a high-speed roller coaster. One moment you're up, the next, you're down. The biggest advantage? Potential for quick profits. But be cautious. One wrong move can lead to significant losses. Now let's talk about long-term investments. This is your buy and hold strategy. You invest in solid projects and let your investment grow over time. Think of it like planting a tree. You nurture it, and with time, it bears fruit. The crypto market is volatile, but historically, it has shown growth over the long term. The key here is patience. You're in it for the long haul. The downside? You need to have a strong belief in the future of your chosen cryptocurrencies and the ability to ride out the storms. So, which is better? Well, it depends on your goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for quick gains and are okay with high risk, short-term trading might be your game. But if you're aiming for steady growth and can withstand market volatility, long-term investing might be your best bet. Here's a tip: diversify your strategy. You don't have to choose just one approach. Maybe hold some assets long-term while actively trading others. It's about finding the right balance for you. Remember, the crypto market is unpredictable. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Whether you go short-term or long-term, stay informed, stay safe, and happy investing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Catch you in the next one.